the satisfaction of the Honda FG110 Cultivator. Hey, we've done a video before on how to fire this thing up and how to maintain it. We haven't put one in action, so today I'm in my back flower bed. It is beat down. Winter rains, the dog's running over it, it's packed hard. I started cultivating, ending up with this nice, rich looking loamy soil. I'm gonna show you a little bit about what this can do and kind of how I operate it. So it's already warmed up. We're gonna turn it on. Pull the rope, and now there's a lot of noise. So you'll see that I'm pulling backwards, and that's really making it dig in. It's not leaving a perfectly smooth finish. I'll come back and I'll just rake it out smooth. I'm gonna fire it up. I'm gonna keep going, working around these plants. Again, what I am tilling is super hard. So let me change the camera angle. Here, let's get down here and see the nastiness. Like this right here. I mean, that's hard. I'm pushing and I'm getting nowhere. So back up a little bit and continue on with the cleanup. Well, if that doesn't make gardening easier, I don't know what does. If you haven't tried the Honda FG110, get down to your local dealership. Maybe they rent one, maybe they have a demo. Give it a try. This is something that is game changing when it comes time to breaking up your flower beds, raised beds, your gardens, running down the rows of the gardens. It's an awesome thing. So, hey guys, thanks for stopping in and watching us today and seeing what this Honda FG110 Cultivator can do for you. It may be little, it ain't a toy. This is a tool that can really break up your small areas and make gardening so much easier to do. See y'all soon. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow.